You will need 1 cup of sesame seeds or til, 3/4 cup of sugar. So let us start. Roast the sesame seeds for 2 minutes in medium flame. This has started popping. Now I am going to keep this aside. Now we are going to caramelize the sugar. Our sugar has caramelized. Now we are going to add in the sesame seeds. Mix this once. Switch off the flame and now we are going to roll this. Now we are going to shape this little bit. Be careful. Roll this with a grease rolling pin. Now we are going to cut this.